The term little birds can refer to a wide variety of small bird species across different regions and habitats. Here is an overview of some commonly known small birds. Wrens. Characteristics: small brown birds with short wings and tails, known for their loud and complex songs. Habitat: found in diverse environments from forests to gardens. Diet: insects and spiders. Finches. Characteristics: small to medium-sized birds with strong conical beaks designed for seed eating. Varieties: includes species like the house finch, goldfinch, and zebra finch. Habitat: woodlands, gardens, and grasslands. Diet: seeds, fruits, and insects. Warblers. Characteristics: small, often brightly colored birds with slender bills. Habitat: primarily forests and shrubs. Diet: insects and berries. Sparrows. Characteristics: small, plump birds with stout bodies, short tails, and powerful beaks. Varieties: house sparrow, tree sparrow, and various New World sparrows. Habitat: urban areas, farmland, and woodlands. Diet: seeds, insects, and scraps. Titmice and chickadee. Characteristics: small, energetic birds with rounded bodies and distinctive black caps. Habitat: forests, gardens, and parks. Diet: insects, seeds, and nuts. Swallows and martins. Characteristics: small birds with long, pointed wings and forked tails, known for their aerial agility. Habitat: open areas, often near water. Diet: insects caught in flight. Hummingbirds. Characteristics: tiny birds with iridescent feathers, long, slender bills, and rapid wing beats. Habitat: found primarily in the Americas, in gardens, forests, and meadows. Diet: nectar, insects, and spiders. Kinglets. Characteristics: very small birds with bright markings, such as the ruby-crowned and golden-crowned kinglets. Habitat: coniferous and mixed forests. Diet: insects and spiders. Bush tits. Characteristics: small, plain gray or brown birds that often travel in flocks. Habitat: open woods and shrubs. Diet: insects and spiders. Flycatcher. Characteristics: small birds with upright posture, known for their fly-catching behavior. Habitat: varied, from forests to open fields. Diet: insects. Key features of little birds. Size: most of these birds are small, often measuring less than 15 centimeters, 6 inches in length. Behavior: many are very active, flitting about quickly in search of food. Vocalizations: they are often very vocal, using a variety of calls and songs for communication. Nesting: many build small, intricate nests in trees, bushes, or cavities. Importance in ecosystems: little birds play crucial roles in ecosystems. Pest control: by consuming large quantities of insects, they help control pest populations. Pollination: hummingbirds and some other species aid in the pollination of flowers. Seed dispersal: they contribute to the dispersal of seeds, aiding in plant propagation. Conservation: many small bird species face threats from habitat loss, climate change, and predation by invasive species. Conservation efforts include habitat restoration, legal protections, and public education on the importance of these birds. Understanding and appreciating these small avian species can enhance our awareness of biodiversity and the health of our natural environments.